Hey guys, Trey here, PPGFlyr. I shot this video last fall and I thought it would be pretty cool and useful to break down really exactly what's going on in your head when you have an engine out. There's some guys off to my right, they're going to watch the launch. So I'm just making sure all my lines are straight, getting ready for takeoff and doing a little power run here. And here I'm getting ready to move forward. Give it some gas, and I'm off the ground.
Alright, these guys watch me take off, so I'm going to give them a low flyby, and then I'm going to go catch up with that hot air balloon. See you guys! I am headed with the wind, meaning downwind, so I'm only going to chase this balloon for so far, and then I got to start heading back home.
Alright, so I need to pause it here for a second. So I'm about 600 feet up in the air, and you can see off to the bottom left is a big green area, and that's where I'm going to start heading right away. So the very first thing I'm going to do is try to pull start the engine. It's also worth noting that from this moment forward, it's exactly 60 seconds until I'm on the ground.
Alright. Come on. Where is it? Come on.
Okay, so from here, I know that landing is imminent. I just can't get my engine started in the air, which is okay. But from here forward, I'm saying goodbye to the hot air balloon in the upper right-hand corner, and I'm going to be frantically looking for the exact location where I'm going to land. Okay, that tree was close, but right here I know I'm gold. I'm really close to the ground. I know I can land it. I've got a good open area right in front of me. But when I get close to the ground is actually sloping away from me, and I end up skidding right across the ground for most of this yard. And so right here I'm skimming, and touchdown right here. And so I try to avoid the trees.
Alright, that was an emergency landing. Tried to get my motor started in the air, didn't happen. Alright, let's get wing out of the tree.
Alright, so here I am waving to the neighbors. Glad to be on the ground, getting ready to take off my engine. And what I don't show in the video, what I don't capture, is me taking about 20 minutes to get the wing out of the tree using one of these houses' ladders. And after I got the wing out of the tree, I called my daughter Avery, and like a hero, she came and rescued me in my Jeep. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. I could always use some more thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys on another video.